soul, but that's me. What about you?
Hi everyone, this is my beautiful wife.
My beautiful wife.
This is our sunny boy.
Hello. The cutest one ever.
And let's dig in. Dig in, dig in.
Yummy fish.
Yeah. I think you can eat from here.
Yeah,
Pretty
this
much.
is my fish. I wanted my fish just fried. Without the spicy sauce.
Yeah.
Oh, I get a cool plate.
Yes, you get the cooked plate. You can just put the plate. I didn't think about it, but she didn't want the spicy, and me and Ariel decided that we really love the spicy thing.
No one is spicy today. Well, no.
But look, isn't it wonderful? I think it is. You have bread there, Ariel, if you like.
Yeah, I know.
One thing that I really, really love on top of my spicy, it's a little bit of raw tahini. And this is Lebanese tahini El Baria. Yeah.
Ooh.
I think I bought it in Walmart, isn't it? I bought this one in Walmart or in Superstore.
I think Superstore.
Yeah, one of those in Canada, but you can buy it. Oh, it's so beautiful.
Need salt.
Yeah,
Need
need salt,
salt.
too. There is salt. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
That's tasty.
You want to try the fish?
Sure. I can try mine. It's actually not spicy at
I
all.
don't know, that's not spicy at all.
I mean, not at all.
Really?
Somehow yesterday it was way more spicier. I made the sauce yesterday.
Spicy.
Maybe
Evaporated.
I don't know how come.
Ready?
I like it fresh.
Mild.
Very mild, isn't it? Weird. Because yesterday it was pretty spicy.
Yeah, I know.
I gave him to try.
Just to see if I would like it. What did you use for spicy?
I use a whole jalapeno pepper. It
Oh,
was
wow.
pretty spicy jalapeno pepper. Can I have a bit of salt, please?
I'll just take out this bone.
Yeah, bones are the biggest challenge of fish, obviously.
I know.
The bones are on my
The biggest struggle.
But on the other hand, I found that fish, anything pretty much with bones, tastier. What do you think?
True.
I don't like eating the bone itself, but yeah, you're right. I'll put it in some sort of in the middle.
Sure. Just
I
put it
found when I cook with
there. You want this fish? You want some more?
Have some of mine.
No, there's more. I'm good. Thank you for the offer, though. Struggling with the bones. Here, take this plate and put your bones in here.
Oh God.
That's cute.
Okay. You okay? Safe to show? No, here, put your bones in here so they won't be on
that's
your
what
plate.
I'm doing. That is bones.
Yeah. No, you know what I mean, from your plate so they won't mix with you. You want some bread?
Yep. Definitely. Small one.
I'll just move it here.
I want to try them. This one?
I'll get there. Oh, anyone needs lemon?
Sure. I'll take a little bit.
Remove those bones all the way.
Bone in my mouth.
Usually,
Try to separate the fish.
usually in Morocco,
I'm gonna help him a little bit with the bones. Just take those bones away.
in Morocco, they serve the fish with the
Keep them on one plate.
white bread.
You should keep the bones on one side, otherwise it gets really messy if you have bones all over the place.
Yeah.
So if it's white bread, to dip in sourdough, good sourdough, but I have only dark sourdough at home.
Yeah, you can take those ones. See, usually those big ones, you can get rid of them right away.
And I have lemonade. Homemade.
There, see? And those big, those ones.
Thanks.
Yeah, well, some of them. Not all of them, definitely.
Well, thanks for taking most of them.
Yeah, the big ones. Yeah. And let's just transfer them away. Till these days, I try to keep my bones away.
Well, don't take them out of your body. That's one thing.
No. And you see her bones in here. Those ones, you just need to
Yeah.
kick them out. Just spread it all apart. And oh my god, so many bones!
This is so hard.
Victoria,
to
this
eat.
is brutal.
Frankly, there are small bones inside.
They're brutal, so many of them.
Yeah, they're not going to stuck anywhere in your system. In the minute they touch the acidity of the
acid.
of your stomach, they're going to dissolve, and actually it will be with calcium. So, by most part,
It's actually
It's
more
not a
healthy
problem.
That's why I
than-
personally really love sardines. Actually, we need to buy more sardines. I love
Oh.
or smoked salmon. Or not smoked.
I love
but-
canned salmon.
Oh, canned
That's
salmon.
my
I mean, not
favorite.
smoked, canned, yeah.
canned with the bones.
You know what?
Take from here.
Yeah.
No bones for sure.
Here. Little
Here.
bit.
Here, take this one.
Yep. Okay.
You can put a little bit of sauce on top of this fish,
Actually, you should have got the tail. It has less bones.
but usually you like the tail more.
I do like the tail. But I'll share with you the tail. Do you want to have the tail
No, I'm good.
without the bones? Sure.
Mhm.
You can stick it in the spicy sauce. I don't mind eating the spicy one. It's not too spicy. I was afraid it's going to be...
Yeah, I
Yesterday
thought it was gonna be.
But yesterday it was like so spicy that
Yesterday
I
it
didn't.
was really,
It was
really.
such a brutal spicy.
I love brutal spicy.
Yes.
Now.
But it's weird that it's today if it's not. So weird.
You're out of the frame, babe.
That's a second.
Me?
I will put.
Or her.
No, that big.
I'm gonna eat some bread.
Try to dip it in the sauce. It's really good. Put tiny bit of sauce on top and a little bit of tahini, and together it's such a good combination.
I don't want tahini.
I don't want the
Okay. Just saying.
Although, maybe.
Try. Tahini and sauce, but with the spicy sauce too.
It's lovely.
It's very nice. Very nice. Those are potatoes that I baked. Potato hashes, so I don't know how to call them, just that I baked in oven.
Potato hash patties.
Yeah, hash patty, nice. And I'm freezing them,
No?
so I just can pop out of the freezer, I don't know, 2, 4, or
I'll take some little pieces.
whatever
when I want.
you need.
There.
Okay.
The 3. Happy to assist you.
Thank you. And what's some?
I know, I wanted my parents
this-
to forever to
this-
take the
this-
bones from me. I couldn't stand the bones.
This fish has no bones.
That's why in North
Actually,
America, all the
This fish
people,
has no bones. So.
frankly, buy fillets fish.
Yeah, and you know what? Funny enough, when we were together, I asked you to take the bones out of my fish.
I did it for years for her.
So it's not a big surprise I'm doing this for Ariel. I couldn't, thank you.
Like
I
I
couldn't
can
s-
do it, but it's super impossible for me.
Even though I know her from age of 15, I think when she started, I think Ariel already was about 2 or 3 years old when I still did it.
She'll take like 95% of them and I did the rest. I couldn't stand the bones.
I know.
And I have a thing with it. I can't stand pits in my salad, like from the lemon. I don't
Oh my
like that.
god, it's hysterical.
I know, it's kind of crazy. You know, sometimes little things that tick you. I don't know why. I just don't like them.
Ariel is drinking juice,
Lemonade.
lemonade. That he made like lemon and a little bit of honey.
Lemon, honey.
Honey, and that's it. And she was running after his pits, and I think he still has one.
No. Oh.
So
No, no.
I actually saw it, And I said nothing because I didn't want you
Another
to keep
15
taking
minutes
another
or,
15 minutes trying to take it out.
Don't do 15 minutes. I'm well practiced.
Well, but it still took a while, so I decided not to say anything even though I did see it.
But it's not like that. It started with the fact that he had clump of honey in the bottom and it didn't dissolve. So you know, if you mix it in the Mok-bang, it makes such a loud noise. So Victoria mixed it a bit, I mixed it, and I saw a pit.
But I was getting ready
So
here.
Victoria was ready to setting up camera, so I was fishing for the pit.
But I think all of those small quirks, what makes family.
That's
And then
mine. That's my little quirk. Quirk. Now what's yours? Over there.
Mine quirk?
Yeah. He likes to take seeds and other things out of things.
What is my quirk?
You add spiciness to everything.
For
Not anymore. Not recently.
Pretty much. Do you want more fish?
No thanks. Actually, I'm thinking full.
That's it? You going?
No, I started to add more spices to general food. So that's why I'm adding less to myself specifically, because you are eating now spicy. So I'm very...
Sometimes something more than you.
Yeah, it happens a couple of times.
Especially recently.
Especially when you cook your egg.
I barely feel it, as I said, many times. But my eggs are good. And fluffy.
The
Really
fish
fluffy.
is so spicy.
Fluffiest
So,
eggs you can make.
Yeah, but I'm the only one who's looking for pits.
yeah, she is.
And sometimes there's a lot of pits, but there were like 2. I don't mind. Thank you very much for the dinner.
You're welcome.
You're so welcome, Betty.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You left me to struggle with the bones?
Yes.
Thank you for cooking.
Oh, you're so welcome, Betty.
Bye, treasure.
Bye.
Bye, Sunny boy.
So good.
The tail is wonderful. Less bones.
But I think you like the densities of the tail as well, not just the
Love the density.
not just the idea that it's tail.
No, I know. I didn't realize. It has less bones. I didn't think about it. The fish is really good. The taste of the fish is amazing. That's why it's worth tolerate the bones.
Yeah.
Even though they drive you
This is
drive you bonkers.
This is pink. Oh, it's so funny, like, because remember the story of the salmon?
Okay.
Explain.
Let me chew.
Salmon. It took me years
Okay.
to say it normally.
So we came to Canada, right? There's the fish, salmon. And he has a letter L. Salmon, what's the problem? There is L. Salmon.
This how you call it in Hebrew as well. If you think about it. Salmon.
Salmon.
That's salmon. Like,
There is L. So we call it salmon. So we had friends and they laughed at us so hard.
all the time.
And we learned the beauty of silent L. Now, why the heck there is silent L? I do not know. It's still a puzzle to me, and
Until
often
this day.
English language is sometimes puzzle me. And the spelling just mind blowing.
The thing is, she remembered it. On the other hand, I haven't. So I think for years they called me Salmon girl.
Salmon.
Salmon. That's how they called me.
And truly, who invented this? Who need those silent nonsenses? Why? I don't know. Let's complicate the future generations.
Or immigrants.
Immigrants. Let's just drive everybody crazy. Even native English speakers, right? Let's just complicate. Let's make a rule and make many exceptions to the rule.
I know.
Like, why not?
I know. But often, we as a children, we were taught for years and years,
Say often.
often without
Often.
T.
No T. Don't pronounce T. That's a big thing. You say often, you don't say often.
And we got actually marked down. I remember I got marked down because I told often.
Fast forward many years.
Many years we came to Canada and everyone say often. Like okay.
How do the British say it? Because they taught us the British
But
English.
I think that in British...
But I think they all say
How
often.
Doctor Who said it?
I'm pretty sure everybody said the T.
The T.
I don't remember. I think so. Anyway.
I have no
teachers.
idea why. Because it's not just I remember this. She remembers this.
Oh, it was often. There was no doubt about it. You don't pronounce the T. No.
Like knife, you don't pronounce the K.
Why it's in there? Yeah. Anyway. This is us.
Struggling.
Often not happy.
Struggling. Frankly struggling because
And struggling.
pronounce words when... Thanks God that we're not speaking French.
At least you don't have to write it. Spell it.
But read it.
Well, you read about what, the first half? 2/3 of the word?
You know what? I remember I had some stupid story in school that my teacher brought me, that like private teacher, that I need to read and answer questions, okay, like the regular one. And there were name I can like this, blah 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 blah, and I couldn't read it, blah blah blah, until I came to her because she gave me it as a homework. I came to her, and apparently it was Lucy. The thing is that it was like this amount of words after the... I had no idea.
Oh, look at Lucky, she made infinities. Our Lucky snake lives in there and she made infinity sign. Oh, so sweet.
Yeah, I know, we love our scary Lucky. Or not so scary, let's go.
She's so cute. Thank you. Thank you, the fish was good. Very filling. That was really good.
There's a...
But they're so dense, you really eat one, it's like you eat this much hash.
No, but yes.
In my opinion, today.
Actually, they're excellent to make a hamburger with a patty and layer together. I think that's very good.
That's a nice
Just
idea.
thinking.
It's a very good idea. So, thank you guys for joining us and listen to our blah 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 today. And please subscribe, write us a comment, thumbs up, us and cheers, love and love. And remember, go towards your joy and do something fun every day.